How much should you actually spend on truck seat covers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Cat Mesh Flex Gray Seat Covers. We have the Cat Mesh Flex automotive seat covers in gray. Priced at $34.99, these caught my attention because they look tough, yet comfortable. If you want a reliable defender against wear and tear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These covers are designed with a breathable mesh back, promoting airflow and keeping you cool during those hot summer drives. They also boast a durable polycotton material that protects against spills and dirt, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, they're airbag compatible, so you don't have to worry about safety features being compromised. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, it seems like people are loving them. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the installation video, it should fit snugly without issues. Just keep in mind it's a universal fit, so it might take some adjustments depending on your truck model. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly seat cover that offers real protection. Skip this one if you need something custom fit for an unusual truck model, but for most users, it's a great value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a darker aesthetic.
Product number 2, Cat Mesh Flex Black Seat Covers. We have the Cat Mesh Flex automotive seat covers in black, also priced at $34.99. I was drawn to this because it offers the same solid protection and a darker shade. If you want something that hides dirt better, this is worth a serious look. These covers share the same breathable mesh back to keep you cool, and the durable polycotton material ensures protection against daily wear. They're easy to install and maintain, which is perfect if you're always on the go. Plus, they have that same airbag compatibility that keeps you safe without sacrificing style. With no reviews yet, but over 1,000 units sold last month, they're clearly a popular pick. Now, some users have mentioned a tight fit on certain trucks, which can be frustrating. But I'll be real with you, for most vehicles, the snugness means they won't slide around, making it a great trade-off for stability. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style and protection in one package. Skip this one if you're looking for a looser cover or if your vehicle has unique seat shapes. You'll get excellent value for your investment. Now, if the installation of the last product bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Riva Dog Truck Seat Cover for $109.99. This one really caught my eye because it's designed for dog owners who want to protect their back seats. If you frequently travel with pets, this is worth a serious look. The XL size is perfect for crew cab trucks and large SUVs, and it features a hard bottom that can hold up to 450 pounds. This means your dog can relax without the cover sagging or collapsing, which is a huge plus for long trips. The 100% waterproof material protects against all kinds of mess, from muddy paws to drool. With its easy installation and quick clean features, it's made for busy pet owners. Plus, it's received over 1,000 purchases in the past month, so it's clearly popular. However, some users pointed out that the price is a bit steep for a seat cover. Here's the thing though, if you value the protection it offers for both your dog and your vehicle, the investment might be worth it to avoid costly interior cleaning. This is perfect for you if you have larger dogs and want to keep your truck pristine. Skip this one if you rarely travel with pets, as it might be overkill for occasional use. For regular pet travelers, the peace of mind is priceless. Alright, that was a strong contender, but the next product is a great budget-friendly option for pet owners. Product number 4, Elantrip Leather Seat Covers. Let's talk about the Elantrip 2-pieces front car seat covers, priced at $38.24. I found these intriguing because they combine luxury with practicality. If you want a stylish option that doesn't sacrifice protection, this is worth a serious look. Made of premium faux leather, these covers not only look good, but are also waterproof and tear-resistant. The ergonomic design includes removable pillows for added comfort, which is perfect for long drives. They fit a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to trucks, making them versatile. With a 180-day durability guarantee, you'll enjoy long-lasting protection without worrying about wear and tear. Some users noted that the installation process can be a bit cumbersome, but honestly, if you follow the instructions, it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Just be patient with the fitting process and it will pay off. This is perfect for you if you want an attractive cover that matches the interior style of your vehicle. Skip this one if you're looking for a cover that fits snugly on older models, as it may not adopt well. For the price, you're getting a fantastic look and solid performance. Now, if you need something specifically for your furry friends, the last product is made just for them. Product number 5, Reliadura Dog Car Seat Cover. We have the Reliadura Dog Car Seat Cover for $32.99. What caught my attention is its custom fit for trucks, especially popular models like the F-150 and Silverado. If you need a reliable solution to protect your backseat from your dog, this is worth a serious look. The cover is designed to fit snugly, offering anti-slip and anti-scratch protection, which is essential if you have a playful pup. It's easy to install, and the washable fabric means you can keep it clean without too much hustle. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, so you won't have to worry about your dog's mess ruining your seats. With around 900 units sold last month, it's gaining traction among pet owners. Some reviews mention that it might not fit smaller vehicles well, which could be a drawback. Here's the thing though, if you have a truck or larger SUV, this cover is a solid choice and should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a practical and affordable option for dog travel. Skip this one if your vehicle is smaller than average, as it likely won't provide the snug fit you're looking for. For truck owners, it's a steal for the protection it offers. To wrap things up, we've seen some great options: the Cat Mesh Flex covers for daily protection, the Riva for pet lovers, the Ellen Trip for luxury seekers, and the Reliadora for convenience. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs. In conclusion, whether you're looking for stylish protection or something to keep your seat safe from your furry friends, there's a cover here for everyone. The cat options are great for everyday use, while the Riva and Reliadura are perfect for pet owners. The Ellen Trip offers a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Choose fits your lifestyle best.